Stop eating sugar, but still craving ice cream? Here are 3 no-sugar, guilt-free ice creams you can make at home. First, banana chocolate ice cream. Freeze 2 ripe bananas for a few hours, then drop them into a blender, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 3 tablespoons of milk. You create a creamy banana chocolate ice cream that's naturally sweet, high in fiber, and packed with energy. Next, strawberry yogurt ice cream. Add 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. You create a refreshing strawberry yogurt ice cream that's high in protein, low in calories, and packed with antioxidants. Finally, mango coconut ice cream. Add 1 cup of frozen mango with 1/2 cup of coconut milk, then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for freshness, and blend until thick and creamy. You create a light and refreshing mango coconut ice cream that's naturally sweet, dairy-free, and perfect for a healthy vegan treat. No sugar, no guilt, just pure healthy ice cream. Which one are you trying first?